So this is by REVO, and this is a cupping device. Now what is cool about this, they say modernized cupping therapy. So they're combining ancient techniques with modern therapies. So I found that really cool because I was going to this place and I was getting cupping done by a professional, and it was costing me a ton of money, and I was getting it done once or twice a week. So it was very, very spendy to do that. And so I went and bought just like a cupping thing on Amazon, and I couldn't get it to stay. They wouldn't stay on me. This one that is not the case. So I am so thrilled with this one because finally I have one that I can actually use for myself and give myself my own treatment. And what is cool about this is it also combines vibration, and it combines a red light therapy. So what it kind of feels like, which I find interesting, if you've ever been to an actual acupuncturist, they turn the needles and it's like they activate it. It feels when the massage is happening, it feels like a needle rotating, almost like it feels like that. Like it's activating that area. So I'm able to give myself a really, really great treatment with this. I love it. Now, one of my favorite places to treat, and it will tell you exactly where to treat and where not to treat, but one of my favorite places is my iliotibial band. So that's the IT band that runs from your hip, outside of your hip to the outside of your knee. That band is really, really tight on me, and so I will just run up this. Now for me, the very first time I used it, it's got a 20 minutes turn off, but I would recommend 2 or 3 minutes maybe on each area, and just give yourself a 20-minute full body, or like a certain area, 20 minutes, like move around in that area. And just do 1 to 2 minutes because it's pretty intense. And I had it on level 1. It goes up to level 20. So, and you can choose cooling, you can choose all kinds of stuff. So really great therapy. If you kind of know what you're doing, kind of know the areas, this is really great for starting to kind of relax some of that fascia if you have like some tight fascia going on. So this is going to help improve the cellulite. It's going to help improve that appearance of cellulite. It'll help the connective tissues, kind of that area, which is like the fascia that's like kind of glommed up in there. So yeah, really excited again. Very thrilled to see this.